It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Sierra. The driver's door has power locks, power windows, auto express windows, power adjustable mirrors and power folding mirrors, the programmable memory seat, and the child lock button. To the left of the steering wheel we have the trailer brake, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and some lighting buttons and dials. This is our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, all-weather floor matting, leather interior. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons and a heated steering wheel button, and the right side has our audio buttons. This is the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, rear window slider button, and we've got a place to store your sunglasses. OnStar in the rear view mirror. This is GMC's Infotainment Center. It's a touch screen that displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera. A CD player, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, box lighting, park assist, some USB ports and power plug-ins, double cup holders, and here we have the wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Sierra we've got fog lights, black tow hooks, 18-inch aluminum wheels, a 5.3 liter V8 engine under the hood, 4x4, rear tinted windows. As we make our way to the back, we've got a tonneau cover, the rear window slider, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate, so we can drop that tailgate down with ease. Again, we've got the tonneau cover, cargo hooks, and a spray-in box liner. Taking a look inside the back of the truck, the passenger door has power windows, cup holders, and door storage. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has storage compartments and a power plug-in. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. And these rear seats fold up with ease for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.